Hello everybody, Jim Ballard here. This video is all about turning a tenon on the bottom of this bowl to receive a chuck so that I can turn this around and hollow out the other side of this bowl. My calipers are set to work with the chuck that I have chosen. There's the size of the tenon. I want to stay outside that line. And I need to take it down. I've already marked my depth. I need to take it as at least to the back side of this line. And in the chuck, there is at least two spots I can grab. I can grab this edge and this lower lip where the teeth are. I'm going to at least grab those 2 points as far as the depth. And that is the mark that is on my Easy Wood tool. So let's get started. Gonna snug it up. I think I'm gonna work on it after I reverse it. I previously loosened the set screws, so this should come right off. There we go. I put that on because this is a little easier to deal with than the bowl sometimes. It also gives you an idea if you're going to be closer to center that you'd like to be. Alright, take and turn this around. There we are. We'll pop this off of here real quick. This is ready for turning. That'll work just fine. So yeah,